In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Google Drive folder. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you can see your files and folders, and it's where you'll manage sharing settings for the folder you want other people to access. Once you're on your Drive home screen, find the folder you want to share. Next to that folder, click the three dots. This opens the folder's options menu, where Google gives you several actions you can take. From that menu, click Share. This is the option that lets you invite other people directly to the folder. A sharing window will appear on your screen. In the field labeled Add, People, Groups, Spaces, and Calendar Events, type the email address of the person you want to include in the folder. As you type, Google may suggest matching contacts. When the correct email appears, click on it to select that person. This helps make sure you're sharing the folder with the right contact. After that, look for the role drop-down menu. This is where you decide what level of access the person should have. You can choose editor, commenter, or viewer. An editor can make changes to files and content in the folder. A commenter can leave feedback without making direct edits, and a viewer can only open and read the contents. Choose the permission level that makes the most sense for how you want that person to use the folder. Next, click into the message field and add a message. This part is optional, but it's a good idea because it gives the recipient context. You can briefly explain what the folder is for or why you're sharing it, which makes the invitation clearer and more professional. When everything looks correct, click Send. Google Drive will then send the invitation, and the person you added will be able to access the folder based on the role you selected. Before you send, it's always worth taking a quick moment to double-check the email address and the permission setting. That small review can help you avoid giving the wrong person access or assigning the wrong level of control. And that's all it takes to add someone to a Google Drive folder. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.